Hi, today we want to talk about conditional styles. We have here in the list conditional styles, but first let's go to all styles. And what we need a style to start with from. So let's choose that. We create a new one. And what it is important to check that condition here. So let's choose a name for our style. Okay, so this is body style, and it's very important to go here to condition and to check condition style. And let's change something. For example, if I will be in the header, I want this style to change to heading 1. Apply. If I'm moving to footer, I want the style to get from heading 10. Okay, let's apply, and let's have this conditional style here. Let's change to custom style. So let's insert in the header some text, and let's insert the same text in the footer. And now let's select and apply. We have a text here, and let's apply here. You can see it's different. Here it's 18, and here the font size is 10. Okay, so we tell LibreOffice that this body style will behave differently depending on where will be. If it's in the header, will behave like the style content or header or so on and so on. You can see now everything changed based on the condition we change here. What is very important is to check that option on condition just after creating the style. Otherwise, that tab will disappear. So let's change here to heading 1, header to be heading 1. Let's go down here, apply. Okay, so you can see here it's the same style, but it looks differently. If I'm the main page, the text will behave like it should, like a normal text. Okay, these styles here from conditional behave just when we are in some special places. Let's test now with a table. We go to table, and in a table we want to have heading 1. Okay, let's insert a table here. So I'm inserting some text, and let's apply this text. It's not working. Let's see. Let's modify. Oh, I see the problem. We are not in the table, we are in a table header. So we have to apply here heading 1. And let's change here to be something smaller, heading 3. Let's now enter a new row. And here it's body style, but it's with a smaller font. If I select everything, the table knows how to behave in these conditions. Everything on this page is the same style, but behave differently depending on these conditions we have here. So it's a very nice feature we have in LibreOffice. What I want you to remember, and let's tell this again. When we begin from a new style, we create new, and very important to go here and to check that. So I name the style, and if I don't press condition like I did now, let's see what is happening. I didn't press in condition, and I don't have that tab here. So this is a big mistake. Okay, we can use conditional if I check that when creating. So I click here on condition and check that in the beginning. Okay, only after that I can continue with what I want. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.